So the next thing we need to do is provide a prompt for the user to actually input product names and product prices so that these two variables get filled with data. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a while loop. I'm going to say while, let's see what we can do here. I'm actually going to introduce a Boolean. So I'm going to say Boolean is entering products equals true. And this Boolean will keep track of what state we are in the program. So what I can do now is I can say while is entering products, which is synonymous with while is entering products equals true, and then have this while loop execute its code repeatedly until I tell the program that is entering products is no longer true. So while we're entering products, we need a product name and a product price. So I'm going to say console write your product name or blank to stop entering products. Then I'm going to say item name, which is a variable I already have up here. If I put my keyboard cursor on item name, you'll see it on line 12, it gets highlighted, so we define it up here. So I'll say item name equals console read line. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to say if item name equals blank, that means that we're no longer entering products. The user decided that, well, he's done entering products, and, well, we should exit the while loop. Otherwise, we have to get the item price from the user somehow. So what I can do here is I'm going to create another Boolean called has entered item price, set it to false, and then I'm going to create a, actually no, I don't need to create another decimal because I have an item price variable up here. And if you're thinking in your head, wow, these are a lot of variables you have to find up here now, so it's starting to look a little bit unwieldy, methods are a way of making that a lot cleaner, which we'll get into later. So I think this is a good example of how we can break up this code quite a bit.